Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How is everybody doing today? My apologies. I cannot get my good microphone to connect, so the sound quality is probably not going to be great today. So my apologies for that straight up. But we are here to talk about, we're going to talk tech today. About leveraging technology to scale your business. We are going to talk about technology and scaling. And I'm super excited to bring this to you because a lot of what I help people with is technology. Okay, a lot of my clients they either have a fear of technology or they just don't like it, and that's okay. You don't have to like it because you should be a professional and an expert in what it is that you do. Technology is something that I help people with. I love it. So let's talk tech today. Okay, so before we go any further, if you don't know me, my name is Lisa Balthaser. I'm a business growth strategist, and I help you to grow and scale your business into 6 figures and beyond and create recurring revenue using AI, systems, processes, content, campaigns, and technology. I help you to put everything together and create that well-oiled marketing machine. Okay, so today we're talking tech. It's called Tech Talk, leveraging technology to scale your business. So let's dig right in. First of all, I want to acknowledge the significance of technology. Okay, without technology, it would be really hard to reach the masses. It would be really hard to get the word out. You would have to physically be there in order to spread the word about your products and services. So technology is really useful in helping you to get the word out, bring the people in, and all of the things in between. And we're going to see that today. One of the things that you want to keep in mind when listening to this broadcast is that you want to know that you're choosing the right tech tools, okay? And I'm going to talk about how to kind of evaluate and see which tools may be the best for you. Automating processes, we're going to talk about improving customer experience and data-driven decision making. We're going to talk about all those things today. So buckle up, get ready to take notes, let's go. Okay, so the first thing that I want to talk about is the role of technology in scaling your business, okay? So why do you want to scale? Why scaling? Why does everybody talk about scaling? Well, scaling allows you to serve more clients with the same amount of time or even less time than it is when you serve one-on-one clients. One-on-one, you cap out of time, okay? You run out of time. If you are a solopreneur, you will run out of time, and there's only so many one-on-one clients that you can take on, okay? So that is one of the things with scaling your business that are super, super important, okay? So the other thing is that scaling your business allows you to operate a lot more efficiency. Remember, I did say that you were serving more people with the same amount of time. That plays into efficiency. You get to reach more customers and you get to manage your growth. And really, you get to really accelerate your growth because of using some of the technology, okay? Which is great because, like I said, if you had to go meet all those people yourself, you would be running yourself ragged at the end of the day. So technology and automation really do help when you are looking to grow and scale your business. Some of the benefits are improved productivity, enhanced customer experience, data management, increased scalability, among other things, okay? You save time, energy, and effort a lot of the times, and many times money. Because remember, when you're in business, especially when you are alone in business, time is money. Okay? So just remember those things as we're going through here. Some of the fears that I see people having surrounding technology. Some people fear the cost. Oh my gosh, what will it cost me? But let me ask you something, my friends. How much is it costing you not to have it? Because when you physically have to go out and do these things, when you physically have to do things the long way, okay, it's taking more of your time. And remember, if you're in business for yourself, time is money. So when you are spending all this time on these things that you could automate, okay, that you could have systems and processes for, that could be easier, faster, and more efficient, you are wasting your time that you could be spent serving clients or even getting more clients. Okay, so when you're thinking of cost, don't just think of the cost that the product, service, or whatever it is, or coach is that you are looking to hire. Okay, look at the cost of not having that. Okay, and that's what a lot of people don't take into consideration. I hear so many people out there saying, oh my gosh, I can't afford that app. Okay, but yet they will spend 3 weeks creating a funnel that could be created in an hour or two. Those 3 weeks could have been spent selling and talking to clients. Okay, so when you're looking at the cost, it's not just the cost of the thing, it's the cost that it requires for you to do the thing that you're refusing to spend the money on. Okay, and I will use myself as an example here, because for years I thought I could do it all myself. Okay, I did not hire a coach. Well, it's more like, it's not that I didn't want to hire a coach. I wanted to hire a coach, but I wasn't able to hire a coach. And I was very, very frustrated because I knew that I needed a coach. I knew that there were certain things that I needed in order to grow and scale my business more efficiently and effectively. And I was not able to hire a coach or get the things. Okay, so I had to do everything the long way and the hard way and the slow way. Okay, and if I had been able to hire a coach, what frustrated me about this, okay, was that I watched some of my competitors pull ahead of me, and it's because they had resources, meaning money. Okay, I didn't have that when I started my business because we just came out of the recession. And I had just spent years looking for a job. I had blown through my retirement and all of the things. So when I started my business, I didn't have the capital to put out. Okay, I didn't have the money and the resources, nor did I have a spouse that was putting food on the table and a roof over my head. These people, that said, oh, I had no support. And yet they had food on the table, a roof over their head, and they had heat. Okay? Those were things I didn't have unless I supplied them. So when you're looking at my business and how slow my business started, and you may not know how slow my business started, here's the thing. Like I was, I'm self-taught in the online space. I spent a lot of time learning, okay, because I had to. Because I didn't have the resources to hire somebody to do it for me. I had to figure it out myself. I know how to do websites. I know how to do funnels. I know how to, I've learned it all. So because I wasn't able to hire people to do it for me. And I've taught people all the things that I've learned over the years, which is a lot. In addition to having the 2 marketing degrees that really are the basis for just about any marketing today, even, online marketing and standard marketing. Okay. So I have the marketing degrees. It's just that when I was in college, we didn't have online marketing. So all of that self-taught. There's also a misconception out there that I want to really bring this to the table because I hear this time and time again. I hear it in my church. I hear it all over the place. That young people, you have to ask young people about technology. That is a false statement in every sense of the word. See, I spent years studying technology, okay? And while some people may be good in some things for technology, as far as marketing and technology goes, young people, like, they have no advantage over me other than they're young. So I have knowledge, I have wisdom, I have tried and true things. Been in business for 11 years, tried a lot of things, saw a lot of things, failed a lot of times, and I know what works and doesn't work, okay? So when I hear that statement, it really is annoying to me, because it's like, you know, when you age, all of a sudden you lose your brain. That does not happen, okay? So I get very frustrated with that. But what I want to talk about, you know, is the role of technology. Technology really helps you operate more efficiently and effectively, reach more customers, and manage your growth. Okay, some of the benefits are improved productivity, enhanced customer experience, data management, increased scalability, and all of the things we already talked about. Some of the challenges are cost, complexity. Okay, there's a misconception out there that technology is hard. Okay, now, if you don't know what you're doing, yes, I can see how that would be. But if you have somebody showing you how to do it and why it needs to be done and how it connects and helping you to connect all the pieces, it's not hard. I have clients today that were very frustrated and in tears over technology. And as they've worked with me, you know, one of the things that I hear from my clients is that, oh my gosh, Lisa, you're helping me so much understand it and put it all together. Okay, and that's one of the benefits of working with me, because I will help you to understand it, put it all together, and understand why things need to be a certain way, so that you can go out and repeat all of the things that you've learned from me. Okay, so you know, I'm not going to say, oh, I'm going to hold that back. Okay, I am going to teach you how to do things and why they need to be done and what it affects if you don't. I'm going to teach you the right way to do organic and relationship marketing, okay, as well as using automation for the pieces of it that make sense, okay. Some other, so it's not that hard. You just need somebody to show you exactly what to do. Okay, and so that's, you know, that's the beauty of working with someone. Now, I do want to here, you know, I want to put in the comments, I am rolling out a promotion today, okay, with this video, and the promotion is for Attract to Convert, okay. Attract to Convert. And this is my lead gen and sales funnel. Okay. This is $300 off. Let me just put this. Okay, so I am running this promotion right now, okay, to help you to get automated, because automation is super important. Getting automated and streamlined is so important in efficiency and effectively marketing your business. So I want to help you to create some automation in your business. And here's the thing. I believe there's 9 one-on-one sessions in here, and they're weekly, so it's, you know, one a week for like 9 weeks. Okay, you work directly with me. Okay, I help you to build your sales funnel. Okay, there is a training in there that shows you all of the things. However, you get to be in the room with me and we build this out together. Okay, I help you to build this funnel, and I also will help you to duplicate that funnel to use it over and over and over again. Because once you build a really good funnel, okay, you can use the funnel over and over and over again. Okay, and that's the beauty of automation. Okay, you can tweak with a few tweaks. You can have a lead gen funnel move into a sales funnel. There's just a few tweaks, and I will show you that, okay? But right now, you can get $300 off of that. And honestly, this is a bargain because you are in one-on-one sessions with me. You have 9 one-on-one sessions with me in this program. And I normally charge $200 for a one-on-one session. Okay, so multiply that out. There's a huge saving to begin with, and I am giving you $300 off of that right now for my birthday month. Okay, I told you guys earlier I was going to run promotions all month for my birthday, all month of August, and this is the next one that I am rolling out. So you can get $300 off working with me to build those funnels. Okay. If you don't have some really good funnels, I suggest that you have at least one that you can copy and use over and over and over again. It is well worth having a good sales funnel. Okay, so in this program, we're working on that lead gen funnel. And if you don't have a lead magnet, we'll work on that. I'll show you how to create about 4 to 5 in about an hour. Okay, and we will get it done. This is a get it done thing. Okay, so if you need that funnel, if you need that, get in this program. $300 off right now. And there are 2 ways. I gave you the shop page on my website, and on the shop page you will see 2 different attract to convert on there, and the there's one that's one payment, so it's a pay in full and it's straight $300 off, and there's another one that's 2 payments, and that one is $150 off each of the payments. Okay, obviously if you pay in full, there is a discounted rate for that. So, but here's the thing, you're already saving about half in the program, and I'm giving you an additional $300 off. So if you came to me and you wanted to work one-on-one with me and do one-on-one sessions and, you know, just piecemeal it out, and you paid me by the hour, it would be double what this program normally costs, and I'm giving you $300 off of that. So take advantage of this. I will help you build that funnel out. Okay, we will get it done. And you may have a question, so what if it takes longer than that, or what if I can't get it done? We will get it done. One way or another, we will get it done. I work with you until we get it done. That is the program. Okay? So do not hesitate to jump in there with the $300 off using code LEADGEN. Using code LEADGEN. So, choosing the right tool. So here's the thing. You need to assess your business needs. Okay? And you need to know what the tools do. Okay? I can tell you that there are a lot of people that do not have the tools that they should have. And I used to be one of them. And I'm going to give you an example of that. So I'm not going to flat out name some of the tools and apps, but you will know which ones they are. So I used to use the Monkey for my email marketing. Okay? The problem with the Monkey is that you cannot build a proper sales funnel with the Monkey. So as hard as I tried to build that funnel, you can just do like really simple stuff in there, and it's not easy to find or to put together. I've helped several people since then with the Monkey. And the Monkey is very, very challenging if you really want to build a proper sales funnel and market your business effectively. It's good if you're just sending email, if that's all you want to do, and you don't care about having a lead magnet, a sales page, and all the things, okay? But if you want to build your business, okay, it's not the best tool. I can tell you that. I'm not the only one that thinks that. I would steer clear of that if you are looking to scale your business. If you're just starting out, okay, and you don't have all the sales funnels and things like that, the Monkey might be maybe just fine for a while. But eventually you're going to want to move to something else. I used it for a while and I liked it for a while. And then when I started getting into some more advanced marketing, such as the email marketing and funnels and sales pages, it really was not a good tool for that. So you need to know the tools and know the capabilities. Okay, I'm not saying you can't do it in there. I'm saying it's like a lot harder than it should be, and which is crazy because they tout it as easy. It's easy if you're email marketing, but not for other things. So there's that. So know your needs. If you want to grow and scale your business, and if you're listening to me, you probably do, okay? That's probably not the right tool for you. There are a lot of other tools. Now, as many of you know, I am a Keap certified partner. When you join Attract to Convert, the Attract to Convert program, we can talk about the tools that you are using. One of the first things that I have you do is evaluate your tools. And you don't necessarily have to go with Keap, okay? But Keap is an amazing tool that does amazing things, and I can show you how to use Keap in a way that will really grow and scale your business. I can help you use it as both email marketing, CRM, build your funnels, do your landing pages. You can do it all in there, and it has a call scheduler. Okay, so when you're evaluating it, it's like, okay, so are you going to spend money on all those other pieces, or do you just want to go with one tool? Okay, I can tell you that my deliverability, it went through the roof when I changed from, I was actually using, I had transferred from the Monkey to the Greenlight product. Okay, you guys probably know what I'm referring to. And that product was good. I could build funnels in there, but they weren't great, and they weren't really good looking funnels. Or landing pages. So when I transferred, what I did find with the Greenlight app is that my deliverability, it wasn't there. As soon as I switched to Keap, which is what I use now, my deliverability went way, way up. Okay, which is one of the reasons I stay using it. In addition to the funnels in there are amazing, and we have the pipelines, which, you know, shows you how to work your CRM, work efficiently. I can show you how to do so many things in there that other tools just don't have. I've helped people with so many different tools, and I can tell you Keap is above and beyond what some of these other tools are. Okay. Yeah, you may or may not need all those things, but if you want to grow and scale your business, and you're using a tool that can get you there quickly, you're going to be a lot happier than if you have to grow and scale, and then you have to switch and redo all your funnels again in a different program because the one you chose isn't effective anymore. So rather than change again and again, think about where you're going. Think about what your goals are, and think about what you need. If you're not planning on doing that, if you're good with the status quo, good where you are, don't want to grow to 6 figures, don't want to grow to 7 figures, then some other tools may be fine. Okay, I'm not going to tell you that Keap is a must. Keap is amazing. Okay, and I am a certified partner in Keap. So if you decide to go with Keap, then I will give you an additional 3 support sessions. So there's perks from doing that also, and you can hire me to support the Keep app if you so choose. Okay, it is an amazing app. I will tell you, I love it. I can't imagine using anything else right now. So there are other CRM tools out there that a lot of people love, but like I said, I love Keep. I will help you to use it. If you use other tools, I will help you with those tools in addition in Attract to Convert. Okay. Project management tools. Okay. So these help efficiency also, or they can help efficiency, I should say. However, they did not for me, but it's because I don't like things scattered all over the place, which is another reason I like Keep, because Keep has a task manager. So, and the pipelines feature you can also use for project management. Now they've changed it, and you can use the pipelines feature for project management, which is totally amazing. Okay, so to me, why pay for project management? Why go somewhere else when you can do everything in one place? Okay, so there are project management tools like Asana, Trello, ClickUp. I've used every single one of them, and I like them. They're great for what they are, but when you're managing your business, I just want to ask you: do you want it here, 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 and here, or do you want it all in one place? Okay. Personally, I prefer my own one place, which is why I use Keep. Again, for me, it is the solution. For you, you may like those other things, okay? So it's really up to you what you use, okay? I'm just telling you my preferences and why. So the next thing I want to talk about is marketing automation. And again, you can create automation in just about any email marketing platform. And I will help you, no matter what platform you have, I will help you with it and we will get it done. Okay? I will tell you, however, that the Monkey that we talked about earlier, if you want to create really good funnels, the Monkey is very, very, very challenging to do that in. I have helped people with it. It's frustrating for both me and the client. So I will tell you that straight up. But if you want to stick with it, if that's what you use, we will go with it. Okay? I will help you to build this out. Okay? Again, I prefer Keep. I can see if I can get you a discount. It depends what they're running. But if you go through me, then you get the 3 additional sessions to help with the onboarding of Keep and some of the support. In addition to, you can hire me on a retainer to actually manage it for you and manage your funnels for you. And for the management piece, it might be well worth your while to do that. Okay. Then some other efficiency factors are like e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. So all of these technology and apps work, and they work well. So for myself, I use WooCommerce on my WordPress website, but you may use Shopify or something else, and that's fine. All of these things help you to get to the end goal of your business, which is a sale. So those e-commerce platforms help you to sell. They give you the ability to sell. Okay. The other thing to consider when you're looking at tools is scalability, which we already talked about. So will the tool get you there? I can tell you, the Monkey. I don't like to name products because I don't think it's right. But the Monkey will probably not allow you to scale to 6 figures. I can tell you that. It's going to be really challenging using that particular platform. However, if you're new or don't want to, scale to 6 figures, that might be just fine for you. Okay? So the right tools, you have to evaluate the scalability. Integration capabilities, how do they work with other pieces? Okay, how does everything fit together? And user friendliness. Is it easy to use? Now, I will tell you that a lot of people think that Keep is hard. But I assure you, if you work with me and I show you how to use Keep effectively, I assure you it is not hard. As a matter of fact, I think you will think it's far superior to other products when I show you how you can use it to build and grow your business. Okay? So user friendliness is important and cost is important. But remember, again, I told you with Keep, you can get rid of a lot of the other things. You can get rid of some of the other apps that you're using, the project management, you can get rid of your call scheduler, everything in the Keep app. You can get rid of the extra CRM that you may be paying for and keep everything in one place. So when you're looking at the capabilities and you're evaluating the cost, those are things to consider. Like, what else can you eliminate if you use this product? Okay. So it's not just the cost of the product, it's the other things that you can save on. Automating your processes for efficiency. Oh my goodness, let's see. We are 30 minutes in. I didn't realize I was talking that long, but we're getting there. Automating your processes. This is a big topic, guys. Automation and technology, leveraging technology, that's a big topic, okay? I'm really just giving you an overview. I do invite you to schedule a call with me if you have any questions, or to jump into Attract to Convert, because Attract to Convert, you'll have the ability to work with me one-on-one. We will talk about technology, automation, even other aspects of it as we're going through your funnel, okay? So the best thing to do is to jump into Attract to Convert, work with me to build that sales funnel, and I will help you with the other technology, understanding how everything fits together and helping you get everything integrated, okay? And depending on if we have sessions left, so if you're really fast and you get it all done, you still have those sessions with me. So that's one thing to keep in consideration. And like I said, it's less than half, because if you hire me one-on-one to do all 9 sessions, it would be over it would be about $1,800. And that is not even close to what you would be paying for this program. Okay? So the program normally would be $997. I'm giving you $300 off. So it will only be $697 for 9 one-on-one sessions with me. How amazing is that? Okay. Now, if you do 2 payments, it's going to be a little bit more. Okay. But here's the thing. You know, you could hire me one-on-one. We could work through it, you know, like on a per diem, you know, hourly basis, and you'd be paying about $200 for each session. Or you can go through this program where you can get my help, and if you knock it out, you still get all of the sessions with me. Okay? And I will help you with some of the other integrations and automations that you need to get into place. Okay? I bring a whole lot to the table as far as like experience and background. You know, as a Keep certified partner, you know, I have 2 degrees in marketing and a whole lot of experience from my business, being in business for 11 years. Automating your processes for efficiency, super important. You want to make sure you do that. The power of automation is to free up your time, and it does that. Once you have things set up, that's the thing. You have to put the time in initially, but once they're set up, they're set up. You just have to make sure they're working, okay? Things do break, so all you really need to do is, it's almost set it and forget it, but not quite, because you do have to make sure it's working. You do have to evaluate your processes and your automation to make sure it's working for what you're doing now. Sometimes things change. You may need to add something. I know I just added an email to one of my automations just recently because of the way I was doing it. I moved the website and things change, you know. Automation also helps you to reduce errors. Technology is a lot better at doing things more effectively and efficiently than humans. Human error is a real thing, okay? So when you set it up for automation, the only thing you have to be concerned about is if the automation isn't working or breaks, okay? And it allows you to focus on growth activities instead of doing the things, instead of being in the weeds, okay? You get to focus on growing your business, which is why businesses that use automation grow faster, okay? Some key areas to automate, marketing, as we talked about, email campaigns, social media posting. Now, I personally don't automate a lot of my social media posting, just for my Facebook group, that's it. And lead nurturing. So those marketing activities can be automated. Follow-ups can be automated. And you want to do that because you want to make sure you're following up. Because if you're following up, you're probably getting sales. If you're not following up, you're probably not getting sales. So automation can help you with that. And I'll show you how to use that in the Keap app. Because like I said, remember I told you about those pipelines? That's all about sales. So your sales process is right there in the application. Okay? Lead scoring, and appointment scheduling. And like I said, that's in the app. Okay? Customer support. You create chatbots. I don't know if you have the plugin for Facebook on your website, but I do. So if somebody goes to my website, they can message me there and I get it in Facebook. Okay? Help desk automation and FAQs. FAQs are just, frequently asked questions. Do you have those on your website or your landing page? Okay, I can help you to create those. Okay, operations, inventory management, invoicing, reporting. So all of those things, they're in the Keap app. Okay, I can show you how to use those. The tool, like I said, the tool of my choice, my preference, and I've tried several over the years. My choice is Keap. Okay, because you can do so much. It's really helped me with my business a lot. Some other popular connector tools, Zapier, Integromat, Slack, all have integrations. Okay, so you can use some of those also. I use Zapier, and I use If This Then That. I know that's a really old program, but it still does exist, believe it or not. You just don't hear a lot about it anymore. So I have something set up in there that actually works. But most people today are using Zapier, which, that's a great product. I think they give you one free one and then you have to pay. Zapier is not cheap, so, just keep that in mind also. But it is a connector tool and it works very well. You can set up so much in there, so it may be worth it. Enhancing the customer experience, importance of the customer experience. You guys know from listening, just social listening online, that customer experience is super, super important. When your customer comes to your website, what happens? It's the experience. If they have a bad experience or they can't find something, that's a problem, okay? But automation actually helps to increase customer experience. It helps them to figure things out. Keeps in contact with them, and it's really one of the key things to retaining and growing your business. Personalization and engagement. Also, again, you can personalize, segment your market, and communicate with them that way. And that's one of the things that you want to do to create a good customer experience for them. And I do talk about that with the lead magnet funnels. So that's something that we'll talk about in there. Again, I prefer Keap, omni-channel support, support across multiple channels, social media, chat, email. Where do you supply support to your potential clients? Okay. Like I said, I have the Facebook chat plugin on my website, and that's to make it easy for people to get in contact with me so I get a notification. A lot of times I am on social media throughout the day, so I will see the notification there. I don't always go to my website, okay? Um, Leveraging data for informed decision making. Data is really important, guys. So when you are using any kind of marketing, you need to evaluate how things are working, what's not working, and that helps you to make better decisions going forward. Helps you to change things so that they work better. It helps you to really understand your audience in a better way. And this, this decreases the customer acquisition cost and increases the lifetime value and conversion rates and decreases churn rates. Okay, churn rates is, when somebody comes in, you got to replace them all the time. That's one of the reasons why I teach having a program as opposed to, say, just courses or something like that, because courses create churn. Like, you're always going to have to sell to have a new course, but if you have a program that is a monthly program, you can create revenue month over month over month. Okay, and it decreases the churn rate. So some other tools to evaluate and analyze data are Google Analytics. You guys all know about Google Analytics. Some other CRM analytics and other type of cool email marketing analytics. All of those things help you. And they help you to optimize your marketing campaigns, improve customer retention. These are all things you want to do, because the more effective your marketing campaign is, the more sales you're going to make. The more you can retain customers, the less you have to put out to gain a customer. Because remember, retaining a customer is a lot less expensive than going out and finding a new one. Okay, that's always the case. So, overcoming common tech challenges, integration issues. Like I said, there are tools that that really help connect some of the things, so that, if you're worried about integration, see me. There's, like, Zapier really helps with a lot of different things. So it may be one of those things that you must have, okay? User adoption and training. When you're new to something, you know how you have to figure it out. So one of the key things that I want to stress is that if you decide that you want to go with Keap through me, I will give you an additional 3 months of training, okay? And I will help you to get started, in addition to helping you if you get it through the Attract to Convert program, in addition to, we're going to build your funnels out, okay? So either way, you're going to get training. Okay, so you can choose to go with Keap or not, but I will say that Keap is my #1 product that I use day in and day out. Every single day I use Keap. I don't think there's a day that I don't use Keap. It's an extremely important piece of my business, okay? And I can show you how to use it so effectively with your sales pipelines, to get more conversions, and to not just for email marketing, just to get more conversions, and use that as a CRM, and use the pipeline feature, and also use it for a productivity feature with the pipelines. I can show you how to do all of that, okay? And it's part of that onboarding that I'm going to show you, okay? So the other thing to consider, again, and I want to mention this again, and that's the scalability. You do need to really understand what the product is capable of, and if it's going to get the job done for you. Like I said, a lot of people are using a product out there that isn't necessarily the best product if they want to scale their business. It's not going to probably take them to 6 figures and beyond. I guess it could, but it's going to be a lot more challenging than some other products out there. So that is how I wanted to leave this with leveraging technology. Technology can be your best friend. It can be your best friend, and I use a lot of technology day in and day out, and I help my clients use technology day in and day out. And one of those pieces of technology is Keap. You can choose to go with Keap through me or not. Either way is fine. But I do want you to consider getting some of your business automated, getting a good funnel set up, and use the link that I have in the comments for Attract to Convert. get in the Attract to Convert program, you get those 9 sessions with me. We will build out your funnel, okay? And I will show you how to reuse that funnel again and again and again, okay? And right now, you're getting $300 off with code LEADGEN, LEADGEN, LEADGEN. So get in now. This is like bargain pricing. I'm doing this because, number one, it's August, and I know you guys are getting back to school. Like, there's a lot of other expenses coming up right now. I get it, okay? The other thing is, you know, I understand people are busy this month, and there's also inflation, the economy, and all those things playing in. I get it, okay? I'm doing this for my whole birthday month. I'm running promotions simply because I really want you to get the help that you need, okay? I really do care about the success of your business. I want to help you to get there. And in order to get there, most of you do need to hire somebody, okay? And I know that's not always the easiest thing, okay? So I am trying to help you by giving you a way to work with me for a lot less than it normally would be, okay? And it's only for this month that I'm running these promotions. So if you want to build funnels, if you want to get in and build funnels, okay, get into Attract to Convert right now, okay, while it's $300 off. I just put the promotion up today. In addition to that, if you are interested in Keep, okay, I'm not sure what promotions are running, it changes all the time, so we have to check. But if you're interested in using Keep, see me. Not only will I try to get you a discount, at least for a few months, but you will get the additional free sessions with me for onboarding and getting going in your Keep app. And I can support you going forward with it if you so choose, okay? So if you want to just hire somebody, if you don't want to deal with the automation, you can. There's a couple different levels that you can hire me for. One of them is to just maintain. One of them is, you know, you would get a funnel, one funnel every month I would do for you. And another one is you would have up to 3 funnels per month. I have those levels available because I know that building sales funnels is not everybody's thing, okay? And I like building sales funnels. So I will build those out for you. You can hire me to do that, okay, if you go with the Keep app. And I have that available for you guys because I know technology is not everybody's sweet spot. It is my sweet spot. I love the technology, okay? So that's really where I want to leave it today. I hope you'll check out Attract to Convert. It is an amazing program that can really help you to get your lead gen funnel going and in action. You really literally building it out in the program. I am helping you. In addition to, I'm going to show you how to convert that into a sales funnel and use that same funnel over and over and over again with a few tweaks, okay? That is what you get in the program, okay? So you're walking away with all that, which is amazing because that's a lot. Because you need those things going forward. You need the funnels. Okay, and a lot of people start tearing their hair out when they have to build a sales funnel. I will show you how to do this. We will build it, and we will duplicate it so that you don't have to worry about how do I do this. Okay, I'm going to show you. Okay. All right. So that is what I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this tech talk. I don't often do a tech talk, but today was all about technology. I do talk about technology, but this was literally all about technology, not, you know, necessarily systems and processes, although the technology does help with those. I hope you'll join me in Attract to Convert because it is an amazing program where we literally build that funnel out for you. I want to help you to get that one funnel together so that we can duplicate it and you can use it again and again, and you are set moving forward. Okay? So, that's what I have for you guys today. I hope you guys have an amazing day. If you want to talk to me about Keap, get in my DMs and tell me you're interested in learning more about Keap, and we'll get a call scheduled, and I will actually show you around my Keap app and show you the capabilities. It's really quite an amazing app, honestly. And there's a lot of AI integration. There's a lot of things built in right now which are truly, truly amazing. Okay, so that is what I have for you guys today. Have an amazing day, and I hope to see you in Attract to Convert. See you there. Don't forget, use code LEADGEN for $300